Alright, now we have the Mini Skyhunter Plus, or the Skyhunter Mini Plus, whatever it's called. 2200 3S up in the nose. Putting my fingers on the dots, and it's tail heavy. Or it's CG balanced 10mm behind the dots.
Throttle active. Maximum trim reached.
Why have we got right out of trim? Now we're right. So that's flying nicely. Certainly not tail heavy, cruising around under half throttle. Back it off even more. Beautiful little plane. I thought this would be a good beginner's plane. It's actually a little bit too fast and agile maybe to to be a really good beginner's plane. But it'd handle a crash pretty well. Maybe a good second plane, good little FPV plane.
Maximum trim reached.
Someone said the rudder was too small to be effective. That's nothing wrong with that rudder. Perfectly alright. It's not over effective, but certainly enough. This is with the CG 10mm behind the dots on the wing, so they're just a suggestion. I think I read in the forums too, people were even going 20mm behind, but don't quote me on that. Have a look on RC groups. I may be telling lies. Nice, cruisy, relaxing little flyer. I'll take the wheels off and that'll put the CG back even a little bit further. CG is probably 12-13mm behind the marks now. Beautiful. Yeah, nicely designed little plane. Can't pick any faults with this one. I love the red colour too. Choice is red or blue. I'd definitely pick the red. Or salmon or pink, or whatever people are saying. I like pink as a colour. This would be a great little cruisy FPV plane, I think. Just tootling around, nice and efficient. Better push the CG back even further. I was going to try a 1300, yeah, I'll do that. I like that idea. Easy to catch too. 1300 3S. This might be pushing it. CG is a good 20mm behind the dots. Alright, let's go again. CG is right back about here, which would be, what, 35% I suppose? I reckon it'll work okay. Bit of trim needed. Makes it more of a glider.
Maximum trim reached.
Bit more responsive, but certainly no dramas. Can fly it at a lower throttle percentage. Try a stall. Pretty well behaved stall. It's not going to drop a wing. So this CG is feeling pretty good. It's maybe a little bit more twitchy. I would say 15 millimeters behind the dots is a perfectly fine spot for CG. I think if I went back much further than this, it'd get a bit hard to handle, but this is absolutely fine. Nice and manoeuvrable anyway. Alright, bringing it in. Tail landing. Very nice.